akala namin uulan kahapon. Eh ngayon pala umulan, 'di ba? Sige na, magpakabasa na tayo sa ulan. Total, andito na rin naman tayo. Wow! 'Di ba? Tagong-tago yung OOTD mo, Bi. Paano na yung mga picture mo mamaya?
Ay, no, wala na po.
So mga kaibigan, kasalukuyan po kaming kita nyo ba yan?
Hindi ko hindi.
Wala na, ikaw nga, Bing. Ay, meron.
Ang lamig po mga kaibigan.
Nga.
Saan pa
Ayan,
po?
hindi pa kami nag-iossi pero umuusok yung mga bunganga namin. Oh, kita niyo yan? Oh. Ikaw nga, Ichan. Ay, wow. Ganito po kalamig sa South Korea. Ambisyoso. So, nasa ba tayo ngayon, B? Nasa tuktok tayo ng Mount Jiufeng.
I don't think this is the top.
Yeah, I mean, hindi kami makapaglibot-libot dahil dahil umuulan. Tingnan mo naman mga itsura namin. Tingnan ating makeup ni Delo.
Uy, grabe, huwag mo yung sasama, kapatid. Nakakaloka, paninirang puri po yan.
So, pababa na kami. Nakakain na rin kami. Sorry, hindi ko na vlog. Sabi ko kay Dale na bad trip kasi ako sa weather. So, parang tinatamad ako maglabas ng camera, ganun. So, kumain na lang kami ng pork bun and giniling. Giniling na lasang Chinese. Nakatikim ka na ba ng Chinese, B?
Pork and ata. Chinese, di ba?
Diba? Alam mo, siguro mas masaya ito kung snow yung umaano sa amin. So, ang original plan is dapat mag-stay kami until 8 PM. Pero mukhang maka-cut short because nakalala. Ay, papapicture ka? Oo. Christian! Benaki!
Pwede magpa...
So nasa market pa din kami. Parang grabe bulubunduking market to kasi lahat paakyat, pababa, paakyat, pababa. Wala na kaming ginawa kundi mag-hiking. Sana kami. Eh di sana nag-hiking outfit kami, 'di ba? Anyway. Dahil tinatamad na ako mag-raincoat, hawak ko na ang raincoat ko. And it's not... Ay, no. Oh, good na ako. Okay, so saan tayo lalabas? Aki? Okay. Bahala na po. Mabasa ng ulan. Ichan, Pinas. Hey guys, this is the part 2 of my travel vlog here in Taiwan. Ito na yung day 4 namin and apparently parang hindi ako masyadong confident sa mga vlog ko since day 1. Pero diba, I'm new to this kind of platform and may mga times na nahihiya pa ako and may mga times na hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga dapat kong sabihin, mga dapat kong kunin. Sobrang daming nasayang na mga moments na dapat nakuhanan ko, pero alam mo na, lagi akong nag-hold back. Parang I always think about what other people might say or kung ano man yung mga bagay na alam mo yun, parang natatakot. In short, parang natatakot akong masita. At this point, I'll try to make this part 2 a little bit better. Today, well, sobrang ang daming na-cancel sa itinerary namin dahil nga we're only trying to spend 5,000 pesos or less. And day 4 na namin, well, hanggang bukas lang naman kami technically dito sa Taiwan. Let's see what will happen. I can't believe it's day 4 already. Malapit na kang matapos ang ating bakasyon. Hindi pa ako ready bumalik sa totoong buhay. And hindi pa ako ready mag-work ulit. But anyway, at least we had something that we looked forward to, diba? And today, since it's our 4th day and this is the main event, and we are going to Taipei 101 with Ben. And let's see, papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung makikita namin doon. And after Taipei 101, we will visit the Elephant Mountain. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran doon. So let's see what we will have there. Dito sa view na to hindi masyadong kita. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Ayan. But we still need to find a nice view, so para makakuha kami ng magandang picture to show you guys how majestic this tower is. Let's see. Wait, I'm just looking for Dale. Parang we lost her. Ano ba yun? Oh my god. This is the problem. We're only using one router. Ano yan? Pocket Wi-Fi for 3 of us. So if we lose one of our team, then bye-bye na. Diba? Ano kaya siya pumunta? Asa si Dale? We are trying to survive the trail here in Elephant Mountain. Sobrang taas, and this is something that we didn't expect. And I will see the view in a bit. So this is something that we didn't expect. Akala namin simpleng uphill na walk lang yung gagawin namin. Pero grabe, halos mamatay ako sa taas. And I think we are near the view now, the best spot to take pictures and videos. Grabe, taas baba, akit baba, akit baba, diba? So this is it. I need a different professional.
Hi, magandang buhay sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Pilipinas. Today was a great day. We get to see the city.
Yes, the city. Parang actually nanggaling na kami sa area na to. And then, ngayon lang namin nalaman na malapit lang pala yung una naming pinuntahan dito. So, ang nangyari, pabalik-balik kami. That's actually the lesson that we learned about this travel na you have to plan ahead. You have to follow your itinerary. Diba? Pero kung okay naman sa inyo na maging spontaneous lang, adventure, wala
We're
lang.
very spontaneous kasi in a way, may mga nababago talaga sa plan.
Sure, lalo na pag yung weather, diba? Yung pera.
Yes.
At saka depende rin sa pagod. Yesterday, grabe. Diba yung Elephant City? Ay, Elephant Mountain.
Yeah.
Sobrang hindi namin ini-expect. Akala ko kasi talaga uphill na ano lang siya.
But actually, we're already on the parang 20%.
Ay, kasi
Nung hinatid tayo ng Uber.
kasi we took Uber from Taipei 101 to parang half part ng anong trail.
Elephant Mountain.
Na Elephant Mountain. And then, we still have to walk like 15 to 30 minutes going up.
Sabi nila 10 minutes climb, pero no, that's a lot.
Parang that was the longest hour or minute.
My life. Me too. Oh my gosh. I feel like I was dying.
Tapos pagdating doon, it was such a relief kasi nakaupo na kami finally. But anyway, it's something that you should try when you visit Taiwan. Kasi once you're there, you're going to see the entire city, the beauty.
Actually, it was the best view for Taipei 101.
Yeah, actually. And before we end our 5-day journey dito sa Taiwan, syempre hindi namin makakalimutang i-try ang pinaka-interesting, pinaka-mabango, pinaka-malinis na kainan dito sa Taiwan. Ano pangalan ito? Modern
toilet.
Ano?
Modern toilet.
Modern toilet.
Ulit.
So, okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Modern toilet.
Cafe.
May cafe pa pala. Okay na yan. I-edit na lang natin. Para hindi yan may edit din. Anyway, so, ang setup nitong restaurant na to is para kang nasa public toilet. Nakaupo ka sa inodoro, kumakain ka sa inodoro. So, in short, tapos tingnan mo yung design. Tingnan mo yung design ng aming camper. Gusto mo yan? Ayan o.
Yung seats view.
Tapos yung seats. Pakita mo, babe.
It's actually toilet.
Oh, diba? Ayun lang. So, inintay lang namin. Nakapag-order na kami. Medyo okay lang naman yung presyo. Siyempre, for the experience, you have to pay for the experience. And feeling ko, aside from the scenic views, aside from the historical places that you can visit here in Taiwan, or one of the restaurants that you should try. Diba? Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. So,
I think it's delicious too. So it's gonna be worth it.
I know. We're just waiting for our order. For the past few days, napansin ko lang, ang pinaka-challenge talaga namin dito is yung language barrier. Hindi naman siguro maraming beses kami hindi nakapag-order ng mga gusto namin, magawa yung mga gusto namin kasi ang hirap mag-communicate sa kanila. But nevertheless, they are so polite, they are so kind and very helpful. Diba? So inintay na namin yung food namin. I'm so excited to eat. Wow! Thank you.
That's nice.
See, kumakain na siya sa toilet.
Hey, wait lang naman.
Ipa-flat lay natin.
Ako visit.
Look what he's having.
Delicious.
Okay. My food is here.
Hi.
Yep.
We're eating at Modern Toilet. Look.
Here's my food with this one. What's this? Oh, my tofu. So this is what I have. This is Thai chicken. Can you help me? Can you, ha?
Ay, dito ko ba kakain?
Hindi pwede na rin. Okay, so and we have soup. And let's lift this poop again. I think this is stinky tofu. Then we have rice. Wow!